Are you looking for an experienced, professional, and dependable hood cleaning company with great local references for your restaurant in Wasilla? I found such a company, and they are licensed, bonded, and insured, and they accept restaurant gift cards and certificates as payment. And, if you're like me, and usually have some idle employees, unsold meals, and empty tables, it makes a lot of sense to trade for hood cleaning. And to also trade for other restaurant expenses. So let's look at some other restaurant expenses that you can purchase using your gift cards and certificates. Your restaurant can trade for employee benefits, janitorial and commercial laundry services, automotive, advertising, and repairs and maintenance. You can also trade for health and beauty products and services, dining and food, entertainment and sports, medical and dental, and travel, from restaurants, hotels, and cruises worldwide, and you can use your restaurant's gift cards and certificates as payment. And there are hundreds of other available trades. Call Anchorage's 26-year-old group of business owners. First, we will get your hood cleaning booked, and then we will see if there are other expenses that you should be trading for. So, for commercial hood cleaning services, call EOA's Anchorage office at 907-345-8000. Or visit www.eoacommerce.com/wasilla-hood-cleaning.